Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by preparing ingredients. Zest and juice 6 fresh lemons to yield about 1 cup of juice, measure 1 cup granulated sugar, and set aside 4 cups cold water for syrup. Chill 2 liters of club soda or sparkling water in the refrigerator. Prepare ice, thin lemon slices for garnish, and fresh mint if desired. Keep a fine mesh strainer, a citrus press, and a measuring cup ready. Work on a clean surface, and sanitize utensils used for juice and syrup preparation before proceeding to cooking. Combine 1 cup granulated sugar with 4 cups water in a medium saucepan and bring to a gentle simmer for about 5 minutes until the sugar fully dissolves. Add the lemon zest from 6 lemons to infuse oils, then pour in the strained lemon juice, stirring for 1 minute. Remove from heat and let the mixture cool to room temperature, about 20 to 30 minutes. Strain the syrup through a fine mesh to remove zest and pulp, transfer to a clean bottle, and refrigerate. The syrup stores for up to 7 days. To assemble lemonade soda, fill a tall glass with ice, pour 2 ounces of chilled lemon syrup, then add 6 ounces chilled club soda for a 1:3 ratio, stir gently to combine. Taste and adjust, increase syrup by 0.5 ounce for more sweetness or add extra soda for a lighter beverage. Garnish with a lemon wheel and a sprig of mint and serve immediately with a straw. Reserve any unused syrup in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, and rinse utensils after use to prevent stickiness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.